Turn-taking games are very beneficial for preschoolers. Here, Doggie is a game that combines turn-taking with understanding number concepts and following directions. It is appropriate for 2 or 3 players. To play Here, Doggie, you will need the Here, Doggie game board, a dog marker for each player, and a die with dots from 1 to 3. Now, if you use a regular die, you'll have to stick small pieces of masking tape to cover over the dots from 4 to 6. And then, with the magic marker, make another set of dots just from 1 to 3. The object of the game is to move the dog marker across the board and into the doghouse by rolling a die. To start, each player chooses a dog and places it on the matching starting space. Then players decide who goes first. The first player rolls the die and looks at the number on the top of the die. That player moves the dog that number of spaces, and the next player rolls the dice. Players continue taking turns until all the players have moved their doggies into the doghouse. The value of Here, Doggie is that children get to practice following directions, doing simple counting, and taking turns. Now, if you watch children playing this game, you will notice that some children miscount. They may have difficulty matching the number on the die to the number of spaces moved. Often they will include the space that they are on in the count rather than beginning with the next space. And here's a tip. Now, if your child is having trouble staying on their own path, you may need to show them the direction of the arrow. Or you can cover up the other 2 paths and show them the one they are supposed to move on. You will be surprised at how much that will help.
You may want to establish that if you have 1 square left to reach the doghouse, whatever you roll on your next turn will get you inside. If you don't, you can spend a considerable amount of time trying to roll a 1. That said, you may want to be a stickler and require players to roll the exact number. It will help teach them patience and deductive reasoning. If I need to move 1 space, I need to roll a 1. You can also modify the game by drawing a longer path. Just modify the die with larger numbers, like 4 through 6, to expand the number students are asked to count. Make sense?
It does. Here, Doggie has Brian's seal of approval. Try it at home with your family. Have fun playing. 2. Very good.